Course outcomes, the incorrect way of writing course outcomes, and this is what is being done in almost all cases. They take the syllabus of the course and they look at first unit, second unit, or first topic, second topic, and finally what happens? They write the first course outcome for the first topic, second course outcome for the second topic, which is an incorrect way. The second thing we are supposed to see is course outcome has two parts. The first one, what the student has to learn, and the second part is what the student has to do with that learning. Many a times it is seen that only the first part is available, what the student should be learning. It does not talk about what they will be able to do with that learning. And with these kind of course outcomes, it is totally inappropriate, and many a times we have to understand that first the course outcome has to be written, and only after that, in order to attain the course outcomes, the syllabus has to be written. But exactly the opposite way is being followed almost everywhere. They will take the syllabus and for that they will start writing the course outcomes. And an example of the incorrect way of writing course outcomes for a course on thermal engineering has been shown in the next slide. You can very clearly see it has been written unit specific. It has been written in such a manner that the second component of the course outcome, what to do with the learning, is totally not seen, and this is not the way to write course outcomes. Now let us look at the correct way of writing course outcomes. See, in the next slide, when I am going to show the right way of writing the course outcome for the same course where it was written incorrectly, it will be very clear that the course outcomes have not been written for any particular topic or any particular unit specifically. You take the first course outcome, it will cover most of the topics in that particular syllabus. And each and every course outcome happens in that particular manner. The second thing, the course outcome has both the components. What has to be learnt is the first component, and what to do with that learning is the second component. Only then the course outcome becomes meaningful. And 6 course outcomes has been written, and you can see that all the course outcomes has been written in such a manner that it is written in a higher order thinking level, that is HOTS level. It does not mean that the course outcome should not be at a lower order level, but preferably right at the higher order level, because if you attain a higher order level, you can attain only by satisfying all the lower order thinking skills. And the right way of writing course outcomes has been shown in the next slide. So as a summary and end note, I would like to tell that if we write the course outcomes properly, in the correct way, it becomes very easy for implementing the same thing inside the class. Teaching, everything depends upon how the course outcome has been developed. So let us practice the right way of writing course outcomes. And it is very clear that most of the institutions, even after becoming autonomous, they are only simply following the easiest way. Take first unit, write the course outcome for that unit. Take the second unit, write the course outcome for that unit, which is actually a blunder, which I have already explained in one of the previous videos. So go through all the previous videos, and after that, if you look at this particular video on course outcomes, you will understand very clearly why course outcomes are to be written in the right way and the wrong way is always a blunder.